Hey guys, what's up? It's Huffles. I'm doing another dare. I'm going to prank my friend with an air horn effect on her iPod, and I'm going to scare the jibbing shit out of her when we're watching the scary movie. Okay, I'm going to go do it right now, so hang on. If you can't see me, I'm sorry. I'm not good with recording.
Hi.
Hi.
Why do you have my iPod?
Because I like your iPod.
But I was charging.
Distractor.
Just so you know, you're both really bad at this because I hear you going distractor and then he's just being an idiot, which I should be used to, but...
Just go over there. Gosh. I'm doing so bad at this so far. Just hang on. Let's look at
Put my tablet away.
Scary sounds!
Hi.
Scary sounds on the TV! Scary sounds on the TV!
This prank was a fail. I'm sorry. Whoever submitted this, Roberto.
Did you finish turning off the computer?
Hey!
Yes.
Did you want